What if I told you one rhythm carries two timelines, one forged in Jamaica's bloodiest year, the other reborn in a global pandemic? That's the hidden legacy of the serious time rhythm. Jamaica, 2004. Some called it near anarchy. Over 1,400 murders, whole districts under siege. Gunshots at night, funerals in the morning, mothers praying for safety. Simply waking up felt like a blessing. In that fire, a youth named Gyptian voiced raw truth on an unfinished beat his cousin built. Producer Kenneth Spragga Wilson heard the spark and moved fast. At anchor, Fata manned the board. Bongo Herman's Keta added heartbeat prayer. Tony Green's sax slid in by fate. A rough idea became a solemn national pulse. Serious time. Gyptian's first take, pure emotion, scattered lines. Spragga trimmed the slackness, pushed for pitch, hunted the note. Then the line landed. You'll see you'll wake up this morning, you better give thanks. Not poetry, but survival scripture. Mutabaruka dropped it on IRIE-FM. Zip FM ran it every hour. The street crowned it an anthem of gratitude, grief, and grit, a mirror of life in those violent days. Listen close. It's classic one drop, kick and snare on 2 and 4, the first beat left breathing. The bass outlines harmony, plays slightly behind the pocket, letting silence speak. Dub echoes carve space, reverb turns grief into cathedral. This restraint is the secret. Fewer notes, bigger truth. It gives singers room to testify and lets every syllable land like a drumbeat carved in stone. 17 years later, House of Riddim in Europe relit the flame. 16 voices stepped forward. Anthony B. Bunn wickedness. Natty King questioned the pandemic. Ja Books warned of closed doors. Turbulence shouted fire. Same pulse, new battles. Poverty, racism, fear, resilience. The rhythm expanded from Kingston lanes to a global chorus, proving its heartbeat belongs not to one era, but to every crisis that demands truth. Chronics never voiced this rhythm, but the mission overlaps. Restore roots, center conscience, elevate liberty. Call it reggae revival or don't. The current is the same. Serious time proves rhythms aren't just beats, they're living archives. First chapter, Jamaica, 2004. Second, the world in lockdown. Same drum, same bass, new witnesses, same fire. History echoes, liberty lives. Stay up. So here's the real question. When the world gets heavy again, who will step on this rhythm next, and what truth will they carry? Drop your thoughts below. One drop, one love. Stay groovy.